Hi, I'm going to teach everyone how to do your inventory management today. Basically, inventory management is a place where you are accountable for all the products that you have ordered from your back office. So do take note to do your Form 1000 before you do your inventory management. If not, you might not have enough products to assign to when you do your Form 1000. And if you are not sure how to do your Form 1000, do refer to the other video that I've created to teach us how to do our Form 1000. Okay, coming back to how to do our inventory management. Here we are at our back office. We go to ordering, and we go to inventory management, right? You can see from here, if you see this yellow box here at your screen, means you would have to assign these products here at the bottom to be assigned to two quantity, one quantity each, right? You have to assign all these products by this specific calendar quarter, this current calendar quarter. Okay. If you don't do that, then you wouldn't be able to order any products. Okay, so the company does this, puts in this extra step to prevent people from abusing the system and to keep inventory. I mean, to stock up. Yeah, so this is important. So let's target the ones that are uh, mentioned here to be assigned. All right, we assign this one, one. Okay, the rest doesn't have any numbers here. And you go to at the bottom, you see a select an assignment. You click here. You can choose which option it is for you. Okay, if it's personal use for your own consumption, then you click personal use. If it's keep in inventory, that means you have no purpose for it at the moment. You're just gonna be in the inventory. You can keep it there. It'll remain there until the next quarter. Okay, you can choose promotional and advertising use. If you like to share with tell the company that this product has been used for advertising purposes, all right, or it's damaged and expired. Okay, this is how it be accountable for. And for me, it's personal use. So I click personal use and I click assign. Then you see this box here, right? Just click save. There you go. No more yellow box, only the green box is replaced by a green box, okay? And you don't have any more of these items here under to be assigned. So there you go. Your inventory management is settled. Settled for this quarter. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.